Hi, my name is Brandon Nurvash, and I'm a third year medical student at Western University of Health Sciences. I'm also the Western Section representative for the AUA Medical Student Membership Work Group. Today, I will briefly talk about preparing for your presentation. So, number one, dress the part. You want to wear professional but comfortable clothing as you'll be walking quite a bit. Number two, know where you are going and find the room ahead of time. Try to arrive at least 30 minutes prior. The AUA annual meeting is large and it can be easy to get lost. Feel free to chat with employees who are there to help. Number three, know your audience. Who is moderating? What's the format for asking questions? Do you need to prepare anything ahead of time, such as a pre recorded video, poster, or slides? These are good questions for yourself to ask. So, number four, if you need to print a poster on site, order it as early as possible. And lastly, practice presenting, prepare for possible questions, and most importantly, enjoy yourself. I look forward to seeing you there.